My favorite part about the after-school program is really just seeing the kids come together and come under one roof and just see everyone smile on their face, you know, while having fun. Get vibes all around. It's just the best part of my job.
My friends and I, we were all playing volleyball and having like a really good time. It was like really fun.
I think with the activities that we offer, and it's definitely a time where they're able to just be a kid.
Honestly, my favorite part is when we go outside and I get to play with all my friends.
My favorite memory of AYRP would be really just helping them with homework, inspiring them to be greater, and building relationships with the kids.
But more like moments with these kids, seeing them enjoy having fun with each other, learning how to play with each other.
We'd always host games and I guess things that the kids would look forward to. We had photo booths, crafts, all that stuff.
Learning more about them is pretty funny because they be telling us really funny stories.
My favorite staff member, my brother Mateo, they just always play with us. Mateo, but I would mostly pick Gabby. She talks with me a lot.
I'd actually say Miss Lopez and Gabby.
Because they're kind. They let us do a lot of things.
My favorite staff member is Adrian because he's really kind and supportive and very caring of our feelings.
Miss Lopez because she's really nice and she's been here since my sister's been here and she's a kind of a part of my family.
My favorite staff is Gabby because she's kind, caring, and supportive, like what Ellie said.
I'd say the favorite part of the school is probably just the community we have here. It's just really strong, and I feel like the bond with the parents is just really unbreakable, in which we help them in many ways. It's simply amazing.
Definitely around the holidays. The families, they show so much love and support towards all of us.
And the teachers supporting us throughout the whole school year.
It feels just so welcoming and there's so many different people and we can make so many different friends.
They're always really enthusiastic, especially about the crafts that I run or the games that we play.
And it just feels like home.